What are the specific applications of artificial intelligence in recruitment? Today, I'll introduce Opground, an artificial intelligence tech recruiter. It was founded in 2020 and headquartered in Barcelona, Spain. What does Opground appeal to IT practitioners? For IT professionals, the good news is that the platform is free. All it takes is one virtual interview with their chatbot, a 30-minute conversation in WhatsApp format, which is equivalent to being interviewed by over 600 companies. Based on the interview's information, the artificial intelligence automatically searches, applies, and conducts all the first interviews for you. The whole process is anonymous until a company looking for someone with your skills and experience, which offers an opportunity aligned with your interests, requirements, and job conditions, applies to you, and you decide to go through the hiring final process. How does Opground help companies recruit IT practitioners? The platform also provides companies with the most tailored IT talent mutually interested with the job offer. Once you upload all your job openings on the platform, in less than 5 minutes, it's like you already interviewed and pre-screened all over 10,000 technical professionals on the platform. The system automatically recommends you tailored talent on the platform, so you can connect with your favorite candidates. Just send them a contact message to continue the process. Could you please let me know why you started the company?
I think it started when I was 20. I was studying mechanical engineering and I invented a product. So at this time, I wanted to find an IT professional who was able to develop the software part. I was able to do the hardware part, but not the software. I just quit the project because I couldn't find anybody. You can find a lot of people in LinkedIn, but it's so much difficult to find someone who also is mutually interested in what you're doing. And it's even more difficult if you have no salary to pay for that job, no? And a few years later, with another invention, I found myself in the same situation. And then thinking about that as a professional, when I was designing machines, I found that I was always open for job opportunities or new opportunities, but it's so much time consuming to look for that opportunities. So in that moment, I realized that all the processes in all the type of job platforms that there are, they focus on the resume, while the most important thing is not the resume. So the most important thing is the first interview. I understood that the problem is that solutions should focus on the first interview and not on the resume. And here I started to see a different approach of solving this problem. And then I started to look for a team. We found a team and we developed the solution that we have nowadays.
Great. So what kind of challenge have you faced so far? The top 3 one.
The top 3 one was the funding, because we started during COVID. So the situation was pretty unstable. And the second one was, of course, getting knowledge of the market, because any of us was involved in the HR sector. So we took a long time to understand the problem, understand the market, and although it was a pain, I think it was an advantage not knowing the sector from inside, because we could have a perspective from outside and not having some decisions taken, because always has been like this, you know. We were always asking ourselves if something was really necessary or was really useful to take in consideration. And the third one, building the team. It's so hard to find co-founders, because you need a really close relation, mindset. You have to be aligning at so many levels. So I spent months looking for a co-founder. I really think I found the best co-founders I could ever have. But yeah, the most 3 things will be the funding, the knowledge of the market, and also, of course, funding the team.
Do you know of any other application of AI in the field of recruitment? you're welcome to leave a message. If this is the first time watching the video, you're welcome to subscribe to the KellyOnTech channel and easily understand the global cutting-edge technologies and promising projects.